What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad here from Dad Simply Summer Surviving. It's my summer surviving series. What we're gonna do today is we're grilling out later today. And I want mac and cheese with the stuff I'm gonna be grilling, but I don't want to cook mac and cheese in the house because it's too hot. So I'm gonna do it in the crock pot. So noodles, evaporated milk, cream cheese, blocks of cheese. We're gonna jump into this. We're gonna cook our noodles al dente, is what it says. So 9 to 11 minutes. So we want about 7 minutes on boiling water. I'm gonna cube my cheese up. Now my pepper jack. My cream cheese. We're gonna cube up this as well. My favorite type of shell I've been loving using for mac and cheese has been this Bertoni shells. I've really enjoyed this. I feel like it locks in. So now let's get everything ready for our crock pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my evaporated milk. Pour my evaporated milk. Get some regular milk. Pour it on in. Some butter and some mustard. So we're gonna go with 4 tablespoons of butter. A bit of salt. Some Cajun seasoning. Some pepper. Some all-purpose seasoning. Some paprika. And some mustard. If you have ground mustard, that will work. So I'm gonna put a little bit of cream cheese and some cube cheese on the bottom. And if we need to, we can add an extra can of evaporated milk, depending on what we're looking at. So we're just gonna splash our noodles with some cold water. Into our pot. Our cheese. We're just gonna put our lid on it. I'm gonna check back on it in a little bit. All right, so we got our mac and cheese. Look. At that. Creamy. Alright, y'all. So there's an issue with my audio, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover here. My noodles and everything have been in crock pot about an hour. I'm gonna add a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese here. You just add that sharpness to it that cheddar cheese can add. Because I have Kobe and pepper jack, but I really wanted to cut it with some sharp cheddar. Just really felt like that was gonna kick it off pretty good. So I'm just gonna tighten my lid back down and let it sit for a little bit longer while I go ahead and prep my pork chops. Because like I said earlier, we're gonna be grilling today. And it was a perfect day to grill because it was hot. I didn't want to heat the inside of my house up. So that's what we're gonna do. So of course, with my pork chops, I'm gonna add some honey mustard in there. I love adding honey mustard to my chicken and my pork chops. I just feel like it makes it tender. And then we of course gotta season our meat, y'all. That's key for anytime we're gonna do some backyard barbecuing. So I'm gonna go with a little bit of salt here, some Cajun seasoning, some pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and I said pepper, probably pepper, and then I put some mac seasoning, which is like coriander, dill, and pepper. So these things were phenomenal. Then of course, you know, you got to get your hands all up in there, get it all mixed up nicely, make sure everything's coated properly, because we want these pork chops to be zesty, I'm telling you. And they were on point. And so what I like to do is I like to take a sheet pan with like the cookie cooler and put them on top and just line them out, get them ready for the grill. And then I'll also pre-season the top. So that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to go ahead and just season the top of that pork chop now with, this is Montreal seasoning. This is great seasoning. I really enjoy it. Aspen's running through with her apron on like a cape because she's Supergirl. And we're just going to season these pork chops up with basically the same seasoning. I'm just putting Montreal steak seasoning on top. So now I have them finally done. Look at them, they look so pretty. We're going to take them outside and grill them now. I am of course going to do a vegetable. So we're going to go with some green beans here, just in a pan or a bowl, and cook them on the stovetop with some butter, salt, and pepper. Our coals are good and hot on this really hot day. I'll put my pork chop seasoned side down. We're gonna check on those. I'm gonna go wash this pan. Now I got some barbecue sauce here. It's just honey barbecue, nothing special. I'm gonna put down my pork chops before I flip. Best part about grilling is you already know which one you want. Put some chicken up there. I'm also doing my meal prep for this week for my lunches. So oh, look at those. Oh yeah. House feels cool, feels great, especially after I've been outside. God knows how good it feels in here. Have an eye on this pork chop. Oh, I can't wait. Some mac and cheese. And I put some green beans from a can on the stovetop. A little bit of salt and pepper in there. There y'all. Dad's Sunday dinner. Taking the book out of my mom. Delicious pork chop. The mac and cheese. That's some good mac and cheese, y'all. I ain't lying. I made mac and cheese for a long time. That's some good mac and cheese. I'm gonna go feed this family. I love y'all. If you will, like, comment, and subscribe. Simple, easy grilled pork chops, mac and cheese, green beans for Dad's family dinner night. Make sure you, or if you will, I greatly appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Stay cool. It's a bit warm out there.